We're back, and this is a very exciting one, something I'm personally very excited about. But we're kind of doing this quick because it's all sitting outside right now and it's raining and it's really cold in here. But I have some pieces that have been missing for a while and some other fun goodies that we're going to be putting on. So I don't want to talk about it. I've been waiting too long. Let's just do it. That's right. Please excuse the noise from the heater. It is 28 degrees outside. I got the panels back from Paint, and he did a great job. You can almost not tell they're not the same color. Also, this is 25 years old. This is a week old. So with a correction, this will go a little closer. It's not really that far. It's a little darker, a little more red, but all in all, for how hard this color is to match, he did a great job. Almost can't tell. Comes off a little. It's a little more obvious on camera than it is in person, but this slight difference here. But all in all, I'm thrilled. And I'm super excited to get to put all the panels on. I got the fender, bumper, all the bumper accessories, and the hood painted. Because this fender over here, if you remember, fender has a giant rust hole in it, so, and a bunch of chips and parts the previous owner fixed with paint pen that didn't match. That fender's not perfect either, but this one was by far the worst. And I had this fender laying around when I went to get this painted. So, God, it looks great though. It's hard to tell because it's raining, but this paint is flawless and a damn good match. So. Pretty much all I could ask for a buddy doing me a favor is that it's pretty damn close and it's clear as hell. I found the rest of our fender, because this is how it's been since I bought the car. That was all just sitting in the side skirt, so just wiggled it and all. Oh, there's some more. So I think I might have to take the skirt all the way off, unfortunately, to get because this fender's missing the whole lower portion that tucks behind the skirt. The new fender is not. So I don't know. I'm gonna be able to get this one off just by prying the skirt back a little bit and get into the bolts behind it, but I might have to take the skirt all the way off to get the new fender on. So fender and hood. I really can't stand far enough away in the garage for you to see it properly, but yeah, I got a little carried away. Threw the nice wheels on from the other car. God, it looks good. Stance is a little wonky. I have a 5 in the rear and an 8 in the front. The 8 is just to clear the brakes. These conical faces, they or concave faces, they don't like stock brakes. They clear my Brembos better than they clear stock brakes, but whatever. So a little sunk in the rear, but I only had 5mm extended studs and 5mm spacers. I have 10mm spacers, but the extended studs are on the other car, so whatever. But yeah, I got a little carried away with that, but it looks really good. Again, not a perfect match, but for him not being able to blend or anything, just having the panels, God, it looks so good. And the paint is so, there's water spots because it's raining when I brought it in, but the paint is so clear. Now it's time to put the bumper on, which I am so excited for. All right, as of right now, mirrors, hood, fender, I got wheels on that side. It's time to get the bumper and all its accessories ready. So, filler plate, grills, bumper, and then put wheels on and we can look at it. I'm so excited. And already, the other side already looks so good. I'm so excited.